Welcome back viewers. In last video we have seen the introduction of CARLI, that is the Customized Arch Linux ISO. So in today's video we are going to do installation of the CARLI ISO. I have already downloaded the CARLI ISO earlier. So it is 2 months back. I could not download the latest one because I faced difficulty downloading from the sourceforge.net website, because I typically find this website having very low bandwidth. So whenever I try to pull any download from the SourceForge, the speed is very low, the bandwidth is very low. I'm not able to finish the downloads in at least 3 to 4 hours. It takes minimum 3 to 4 hours. So I did multiple times. I tried to download the latest CARLI, but it was not possible. So for the installation demonstration, we will use the September month CARLI. So you have to just open it in boxes, use the Arch template. Can go with 2 GB of RAM also, but we will go with 4 GB and 25 GB of storage limit. So you have got this typical options for the installation. Installer has started. We will choose the first option. So the live desktop has booted up. You have got the XFC as a live desktop for the CARLI ISO. Now you have to select the install system, start the installer. The AS machine, erase this option with swap to file extended for file system. Okay, so password is filling the dictionary. Still we will be able to go ahead. Yes, we could go ahead. Now you have to just check the summary and then confirm the installation. Summary is okay. You have to just now confirm the installation times. Now the installation of the CARLI ISO has started. CARLI ISO is nothing but a minimal system, a kind of minimal system, just like in ALSI. CARLI is also a minimal system. So in ALSI we have seen the minimal install of the Arch Linux ISO using the Calamars installer, and in CARLI is also Arch Linux installation only, but in ALSI the Arch Linux installation was pure. There was no component of Arcolinux involved, but in CARLI the repos that will be activated are from the Arcolinux and not from the Arch Linux. But in ALSI you get the pure Arch Linux and the Arch Linux repos activated after the installation. In CARLI you get the Arch Linux with some mix of Arcolinux theming and all those things, and the Arcolinux repos are getting activated after the install. So that is the only difference. So if you are a purist, if you want a pure Arch Linux, you can go with the ALSI method. And if you like the Arcolinux theming and Arcolinux configs, so you can stick with the CARLI. Both the ISOs can be used for building your own system. So we have completed the installation of CARLI ISO. I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out the CARLI desktop that has been installed, the CARLI ISO that has been installed. We will check out how to use it, how to go further in the next video. See you in the next video. Bye.